Hello, dear students. How are you all? Please stay at home and eat healthy food. I welcome you all to 7th standard. Happy to see you all through this video for English class. Let us see a lovely poem from Unit 1. I hope all you know about computer and some keys of it. For example, Ctrl plus A, select all, Ctrl plus B, bold, and etc. Computer is a machine. It helps to all the fields of the world. The computer cannot eat anything. But here, a grandma swallowed by the computer. I know you won't believe this, but technically computer can eat. That means we can make the files of the system disappear and reveal. The name of the poem is The Computer Swallowed Grandma. Now we will see the poetic lines. Stanza 1. The computer swallowed grandma. Yes, honestly, it's true. She pressed Control and Enter and disappeared from view. I repeat, the computer swallowed grandma. Yes, honestly, it's true. She pressed Control and Enter and disappeared from view. See the first line. The word swallowed, which means ate quickly, and Control and Enter. It's all key of the computer. Disappeared, which means go out of sight. Explanation. The poet was chatting with his grandma online. Suddenly, by mistake, when grandma presses Control and Enter key of the computer, so her image vanishes from the screen. Stanza 2. It devoured her completely. The thought just makes me squirm. She must have caught a virus or been eaten by a worm. Devoured means consumed. Here, caught means affected. Squirm means turn. Virus means in this poem it's not a human virus. It's one of the software. It can affect the files. Explanation. The computer consumed grandma completely. The poet turned unwanted thinking. The poet thinks that a virus must have attacked her computer or eaten by bug in the computer. Stanza 3. I have searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. I have even used the internet, but nothing did I find. Here, recycle bin means it's used by a Windows computer to store deleted items. It temporarily stores files and folders before they are permanently deleted. Explanation. The poet wants to get back the image of grandma on the screen. So he searched his computer's recycle bin, all the files and folders, and finally used the internet also. But he couldn't find her. Stanza 4. In desperation, I asked Jeeves my searches to refine. The reply from him was not negative. Not a thing was found online. Desperation means hopelessness. Explanation. The poet now approaches Jeeves, a software engineer, to repair and service his system to spot grandma. He gives a negative reply and couldn't find grandma also in online. Stanza 4. So, if inside your inbox, my grandma you should see, please copy, scan and paste her. in an email back to me. Here, inbox means it helps to save the files. Explanation. The end of the poem, the poet requests to all the readers of the poem to send grandma by email by copying, scanning, and pasting her if they happen to find grandma in their inbox. The poet name is not given, only given in anonymous, which means unknown writer. Once again, I read the poem. The computer salad grandma. Yes, honestly, it's true. She pressed Control and Enter and disappeared from view. It devoured her completely. The thought just makes me squirm. She must have caught a virus or been eaten by a worm. I have searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. I have even used the internet, but nothing did I find. In desperation, I asked Jeeves my searches to refine. The reply from him was negative. Not a thing was found online. So, if inside your inbox my grandma used see, please copy, scan, and paste her in an email back to me. I hope all you enjoy this poem because it's imaginary and humorous poem.